Hi everyone, this is Atanasyanko from Nasio Themes, and in the tutorial today I'm going to show you how to customize the styles of the buttons in Preslav theme. The buttons are a very important part of your website because they provide unique look and feel. Preslav has a rich set of button styles and animations to choose from. To do that, you need to be logged as an admin and click on Edit Page in the top bar. You'll soon be redirected to the WordPress block editor. If you have taken advantage of the patterns which this theme provides, you should have something similar to what I have right now on top of the page. And if not, you just can create a new button. When you click on the button, from the right tab, pick Styles, and you are presented with 6 different styles to choose from. The default one, the skew fill one, and shadow fill, which adds a nice shadow. We also have outline effects, which we can pick. The default one is skew, but we can go to the outline, or we can add shadow outline. That's nice, but what if we want to change the hover animation? Right now it's row over of the text, but what if we want to change it? Then there is a list of hover animations classes which we can choose from. To find out, go to the theme documentation, frequently asked questions sections, and check this question about the button styles. You have 7 different hover animations to choose from, and we already saw the first one, row over, so let's see how the others work. But how do we change this hover animation effect? It's very easy. We just copy the class here, go to the edit page, make sure you selected the button, and from the settings tab, advanced, change the classes here with the class from the documentation. After that, click on preview, and in a few seconds, when you hover over the button, you see the borders rise up and down. It's not very visible because of the dark background, but you can change that very easily from the pattern itself. But what if we want to add a different hover animation and we're not happy with this one? That's very easy. We just go in the documentation again, in the list of classes, and we copy the other and pick one which we like the most. We repeat the same procedure, click on the preview, and when you hover over the button which we change the class, we see a nice slide-in hover animation effect. Now let's quickly go through the others as well. The pulse one is a bit more aggressive, but it's perfect if you have an online shop. Just change the additional CSS class, preview, and take a look of the hover animation in action. For the last 3 classes, I recommend you to also change the styles to take the most out of it. For the button animation shadow, it's a perfect match for the shadow fill style. Let's add that. Go back to the additional CSS. The first class is the animation and the second one is the style, which gets inserted automatically. So here let's just change the first one and keep the second and make sure there is space between them, like that. Then go to the preview tab and we see that the button goes to its shadow. And again, for this one it's also better if you use a lighter background. And the last class I want to show you is the border one, and for it you need to make the button completely transparent. You can use the core WordPress cover section for it. Just click the background and set opacity to 0. Also make sure that the text of the button is visible. Let's make it white. Finally, go in the settings tab and copy the animation class and put it here. Finally, when we preview the changes, we'll see how the border appears and disappears. And that's the last animation I wanted to show you. So thank you very much for watching. Good luck with your next project. Have a nice day. Bye.